What is going on, guys? So today we're gonna be talking about side hustles in 2023 that you should guys be doing. These are gonna be some really good side hustles, I think, and also things you guys can apply and do today. It's gonna go from worst to best. So watch till the end of the video. Literally watch till the end of the video, and you guys will not be disappointed. The last one is the best side hustle I recommend. So definitely stick around for this. It's gonna be a really good video. So the number 5 side hustle I recommend is definitely DoorDash. So definitely anyone can do this if you have a license and have a car. So that literally you can make upwards. I know guys making $200 a day if you just do this right. I know it's, I know you gotta be driving a lot, but honestly you can listen to audio books and really get that in your head that you have the right mindset. And literally just like, can listen to motivational books, successful books, or mindset books, business books when you're driving out there and literally get into the next step of your life where you're getting out of DoorDash to do a business or something else. Number 2 is if you have a truck. That's for people that have a truck, but it works really, really well. So literally you gotta go on Craigslist and literally buy couches for free and resell them on eBay. So basically what you're doing here is literally just getting the couch and putting it in your truck, because people don't want this furniture. It is huge furniture. So literally what you do is take the furniture and then just resell on eBay for a couple $100, and you make quick profit just like that. You can make upwards $100 to $200 a day doing this. Number 3, if you are really good at school, you should start doing online tutoring or even in-person tutoring if you have the local capacity or if you want to do that. But I would definitely recommend online tutoring recommended, because if you are really good at school, you can start charging for a lot of money to do SAT, or SAT, ACT tutoring, or even just studying for a specific subject. If you're really good at math or whatever, or history, you can literally start charging folks for just literally, or students, literally a couple $100 an hour just to tutor them. And that's a really one of the top side hustles I recommend for number 3. Number 4 is definitely get a cheap camera that's under $500 and get it on Best Buy or whatever, and literally start just filming people or sports or athletes and literally charge them literally $50 to $100 per edit or whatever time you film them. I know it's more of a skill, but literally that's how my side hustles turned into a full-on business for me, at least. So, number 5, and the best one I recommend, is buying an Instagram theme page. Now you're probably wondering, this is probably a business, but no, actually this actually turned into a side hustle for me. So honestly, if you do this and buy an Instagram theme page, you will be literally capitalizing on all the audience and getting free ads, and literally you can post anything you want and get, a product, or sell DM for promotions. You can do whatever you want with this theme page, and as well as, maybe reflipping it or selling it later on when you want to sell it or make a really good profit. So